today's digital world, brands live and die by their online presence. For Arkoslight, a respected European lighting manufacturer, the challenge is not product quality but visibility, especially in the age of AI-driven recommendations. When architects or designers ask AI tools for lighting brand suggestions, Arkoslight is rarely mentioned. Instead, names like Flows, iGazzini, and ERCO dominate the conversation. This video unpacks why Arkoslight, despite its technical strengths, is barely visible in AI search results and what that means for its business. Let's look at the competitive landscape. The architectural lighting sector is crowded with global icons. Flows leads with a massive AI presence and Italian design prestige. iGazzini and ERCO are also top choices, known for their deep training data and precision optics. Actionable and Deltalight round out the leaderboard, each with strong reputations in hospitality and commercial spaces. Arkoslight, despite its innovative products, ranks 7th and is critically underrepresented in AI-driven queries. This underexposure puts it at a disadvantage whenever specifiers rely on AI for recommendations. Arkoslight's average AI visibility score is just 34.9 out of 100, barely visible by industry standards. Major language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity all agree, Arkoslight is not recommended in standard architectural lighting queries. The brand only appears in niche, region-specific searches and is never the default choice. This low score translates into lost opportunities, as every specifier who asks an AI for a lighting brand is directed to competitors instead. Despite its low visibility, Arkoslight has notable strengths. Its product knowledge scores are the highest among competitors, and its Spanish design identity stands out in a market dominated by Italian and German brands. However, critical gaps drag down its AI ranking. The biggest issue is social proof. There are no named projects, reviews, or press mentions in English. Additionally, AI models lack basic facts like Arkoslight's founding year, flagship products, or notable client. These gaps make it nearly invisible to AI-driven specifiers. When asked, major AI models describe Arkoslight as a European lighting brand focused on clean architectural LED solutions. They note its popularity among professional designers and its use in commercial or high-end residential projects. However, all models agree, Arkoslight is not as globally recognized as the major players. Claude and Perplexity in particular highlight its limited international recall and niche presence, especially outside Spain or Europe. Real-world tests show Arkoslight's invisibility. When AIs are asked for the best architectural lighting brands, or for luxury hotel lighting recommendations, Arkoslight is not listed. Even when asked for alternatives to top brands like iGazzini, Arkoslight only appears in the lower ranks or in Spain-specific queries. Globally, Flows, iGazzini, ERCO, and Actionable are always recommended first. This means Arkoslight is missing out on countless specification opportunities. Why is Arkoslight so invisible to AI? The answer lies in its English language content gaps. AI models rely on index data, product pages, press releases, case studies, and awards. Arkoslight lacks English technical specs, news, and project documentation. There are no Wikipedia entries, few international distributor mentions, and almost no social proof in the form of named projects or client testimonials. Without these signals, AI simply cannot recommend Arkoslight with confidence. There's hope for Arkoslight. A targeted content strategy can dramatically improve AI visibility. Quick wins include publishing English product pages with full technical specs and releasing press articles about recent projects. Medium-term actions involve submitting case studies to international design media, entering design awards, and building a Wikipedia presence. Long-term, Arkoslight should expand its distributor network and create comparison content to get picked up by lighting publications. These steps will help Arkoslight move from invisible to visible in AI-driven recommendations. Summary: Arkoslight's low AI visibility is not a reflection of its product quality but of its digital footprint. By addressing content gaps and building social proof, Arkoslight can rise in AI-driven rankings and compete with the industry's biggest names. The path forward is clear: invest in English language content, showcase real projects, and engage with the international design community. With a focused strategy, Arkoslight can ensure it's no longer overlooked when AI makes the next big recommendation.